second quadrant so you guys understand. So let's say it says, okay, 50, well, I'm just going to make one up. So let's say they say cosine theta equals negative 0.7763. Okay, and they say they want this in quadrant 3. So again, I'm going to use the inverse cosine of 0.7763, and I'm going to get out some angle. Now cosine only gives me my angles in the first and the second quadrant. So second cosine, negative 0.7763. I should put negative. And that's 140.9. Okay? What do I do to find the reference angle? Yes. Well, see, no, we need to find the reference angle. Reference angle is always between 0 and 90. Actually, you know what? I think an easier way to do this, let's see. I would say 180 minus 140.9. But I think I just realized that an easier way to do this would just be to take inverse cosine of the positive of this value, and it'll give me what the reference angle is. So let's see if that works, instead of putting the negative in there, and then we don't have to do extra steps. So 0.7763. Yep, and it gives me 39.1. So, yep. So see how I put this in here as a negative and it gave me 140? Just put it as a positive, and then you'll get something between 0 and 90 because that's all you want anyway. So disregard what I said before. You know, you need to do 180 minus too much work. So what you want to do for cosine theta equals something. Always put cosine to the negative of a positive, whatever that is. So always make it positive, and then it will give you your reference angle. And then you can go from there. It makes it a lot easier. So now I want that in quadrant 3. So again, in quadrant 3, it's 39.1. So I'd go 180 and then an extra 39.1. Okay, so that'd be 180 plus 39.1, which gives me 219.1 degrees.